Most people tell us, think big, stay positive, you can reach greater heights in life. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, tells us that the habits are the building blocks that make up our lives. The book teaches some easy tips to change our habits to create better changes. Welcome to Dream and Win. Let's get into the video to explore more ideas that are discussed in the book. 1% better. Author tells us that when we make small improvements every day, this leads to a big change. He calls this 1% better. Let's say, for an example, if we want to lose 3 kgs in a month, it is not possible to get rid of all of it in a day. Small changes every day, like cutting off junk food, run for 30 minutes, or cut down on fats. Each one of them make 1%, which is put together, and it will show you a result after a month or so. This is what is called as compound effect. Though we are not able to see the results very quickly, and the results are seen only after a month, each one of them make a final result. So rather than performing the actions just for success, when they turn into our habits, we'll still be able to do it irrespective of we feel like it or not. Role of self-image in changing habits. Self-image includes the set of beliefs that you have about yourself. It plays a huge role when you try to change your habits. Let's say Mr. X and Mr. Y wants to save $1,000. If a friend calls Mr. X to go for a party, then he would say, "No, thank you, I'm trying to save some money." In the same case, Mr. Y would say, "No, thank you, I'm not a party goer." This is the difference when you try to push yourself to do something which is basically goal based. And on the other side, you form a system which is going to stay with you no matter what's going to be the outcome. All those actions that you keep repeating form a set of habits that get registered in you. So before you start performing any action, you need to be conscious of what's your self-image that have been registered from your childhood. Like, say, I'm thin, I'm quiet, I'm shy, I like swimming, I'm not good at cooking, and so on. Choose your self-image. Let's say you want to be a public speaker. Then start interacting with people, get to know what would make a difference in people's life, and so on. In this way, you turn your habits, way of thinking, and your energy, forming a system that eventually results in achieving your goal. 4 pillars of forming habits. Book talks about the 4 aspects that form the basis of changing any habit. They are cue, craving, response, and reward. Cue is an external stimuli that make you perform any particular action. Let's say a man sees an attractive car and his heads turn automatically to look at it. Next comes the craving, where he has a strong desire to buy it. Actions that a man takes for buying the car include response. And the reward is that sense of winning feeling that he gets while achieving the dreams. Higher the reward while doing an action, we feel like repeating it more and more. Whenever we want to build any habit, you have to make these 4 aspects stronger. For example, you want to be a great cricket player, then buy a poster of your favorite player and put it in a visible space in your room. Next is to make it attractive to enhance your craving, like you put a positive affirmation near your poster, decorate it, write a motivational quote, and start thinking about what kind of changes could occur in your life when you achieve your goal. Next is the response, which is the action that you start taking by improving them 1% each day, like getting a mentor, starting cricket practice, getting good sleep, healthy diet, etc. Last is to choose your reward. Becoming a great cricket player can bring many kind of big changes along with it, like, say, name, fame, or the ability to help others and inspiring people. When you choose right kind of rewards associated with your goals, it brings you more opportunities along your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.